Well, hello there, YouTube. Look at that stack of BMWs. That was a huge stack. We're narrowing her down. But I put something together. Well, I finished it today. It was so cool. I had to take you guys for a ride. Despite just getting over being sick, and it's starting to mist out here a little bit. But feast your eyes on this. The 2019 BMW R1250GS exclusive. That has got to be the sexiest GS I've ever seen. Everybody that's come down and seen this sitting on my bench is like, what? Oh, that is gorgeous. Is that beautiful or what? Let's take it for a quick little rip before I get downpoured on here. There's a gentleman, I guess, buying a triple black 1250 GS. I bet you once he sees this one, he's going to probably change his mind. Whew. I got two coats on. I got my shop coat and then my climb on top of that. Trying to keep myself warm. I don't want to have any kind of relapse. Last 4 days of my vacation, I took, God dang it, took 8 days off for Christmas through New Year's, and last 4 days of it, fought the flu, down and out. If you want to hear all the crying about that, bounce on over to the daily vlog. So this is a standard chassis, it's not a low chassis. The exclusive, what makes it exclusive is just the unique colors to this. Oh my God, it's just as sexy rolling down the road as it is walking around it. Look at this thing. Oh my Lord, this thing's beautiful. So I was given this VIN number to do yesterday because I think they thought it was the triple black. Because it's the name of it starts with Black Storm, so does the triple black. Oh, please don't hit me! Please don't hit me! Yeah, thank you. That was close though. I don't know if you guys could see through my mirrors, but that older gentleman did not see me till the last second. Despite I'm toe tapping the old brake lever in the back there, trying to get some strobe effect going on. Oh, it is windy out here, and I've been outside uncrating these things. That is just not smart. End up in the hospital before it's all over with. These Toyota guys just got to be wondering. Yeah, let's get into the path of least water resistance here. But man, this thing is beautiful. I apologize I can't take it for a big old rip down the highway or go riding through some of the beautiful areas around here, but we got to keep the miles down on them. They usually have one or so on them right out of the crate. This one must have had 2. It says 3 on it now. I drove it upstairs, put gas in it, and popped on with you guys. Popped my camera on, and here we are. We'll give her one more quick walk around here. It's starting to sprinkle here a bit. The mapping mode needs to go to dynamic like right away. Usually these things come out of the crate in rain mode. This one came out of the crate in road mode. Maybe the guys at BMW, when they doing their tests on the rolling road, they must have enjoyed themselves and put an extra mile or 2 on them. Usually it's 9/10 of a mile. And then my little route that I take here is 8/10 of a mile. So when I get back, the odometer says 2. But I've seen them come out of the crate with as much as 3 something on them. Yeah, man, that is some kind of gorgeous. Stunning motorcycle. Holy moly, that thing's good looking. We're kind of tossing the idea around of what this thing would look like with the gold wheels on it. This might be the one that the gold wheels would look really good on. But I don't know. You'd have to see it first. If they were on there, you might go, I don't know. And this one has the Bridgestone Battle Axe Adventure tires on them. And it's, you know, I was talking about that in the daily vlog yesterday. It's like a 50-50 mix, whether they have the Bridgestones or the Michelin Anarchy 3s. That thing is sexy. Good Lord. I love these new 1250s have this weird little rumble right at idle. They idle lower, they idle at 1,000 RPMs, and it's picking up the woof woof woof. It's actually a smoother running engine, but it's idle so low you're getting that pulse. Really cool. But unfortunately, I can't take her for a long ride. When I ride something like this, and it's so beautiful, and it GS, it don't matter, 1200, 1250, any of these things, they're just trying to find a least wet way to get back out. I run into traffic a lot of times when I go this way. But yeah, I just want to keep going. Going and going and going. That is one busy store. I think it's one of those discount grocery kind of things. Oh, that 1250 is so wonderful. Hey, I made it without getting soaked. That's a win all around right there. I bet you this one don't last long. We thought this was the one that was sold, but it's it is the triple black, so you guys better fly if you want this thing. Man, if I was after a GS, this absolutely hands down would be the one. Watch Grant will like to look at this. I made it. That's cool as heck, isn't it? That has got to be the prettiest GS, hands down. That's our parts manager. Cool guy. God, I've known him for, jeez, 30 some odd years.
Oh, look at that screen.
The numbers bubble.
Are you gonna get one?
I've already got one at the house.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
What do you think, Smoak?
Can we get it in the back of my Honda?
Huh?
Will it fit in the back of my Honda truck?
Yeah.
Don't tell the little woman.
That's the owner. He goes, go tell the little woman. I'm probably making the floor dirty too. Oh yeah. That fan just came on. It's blowing out the right radiator and that feels fantastic. Alright, thank you guys. And yes, I know there's not a puck underneath there. We ran out. Oh, the steering's gotta be straight. I like it straight. But people got this fascination with turning them sideways. That don't look right. I don't like it like that. They all end up falling that way, but whew, that's pretty. Alright. Thank you guys for coming home for the rip. Look at all the stuff we got out here. I need to do some catching up with you guys. Look at that 1600 GT. And this is that olive, or the Kalamata olive 1250 Adventure. And I got an 850, our first 850 Adventure. 850 GSA coming up. It's sold though. Alright. Thanks again, guys and gals.